Crude oil and natural gas both traded bullish for the day. Oil has now come towards the next critical milestone at 72.6. Remember, I have mentioned earlier in the day staying above 72. We are looking forward to 72.4, 72.6 zone. It is done. While natural gas, the beauty again, we have discussed this earlier in the day that even if it shows half of the rise from yesterday, that is 5%, we can see a move towards 4.1, 4.2. It is now almost close to 4.1. What to expect now from oil and gas with the US session? Can we expect gas to move towards 4.2? Can we expect oil to move beyond 73.2 here? Or we are looking for a reversal here? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil? And we're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical level. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, to look into crude oil, followed with net gas. See, oil is now coming towards the next resistance zone, the critical milestone at 72.6, which is one of my favorite levels because we know that beyond 72.6 it might gather bullish momentum where the chances will be high that 73 and 73.4 should be seen. Moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bullish. The prices are hitting higher lows and higher highs and are trading still bullish here. If you look at the stochastic after hitting the highs, trying to retrace, the MACD is still in green though, and the RSI is sitting near to the top here. Coming to 2 likewise on the 2 hour charts, what we had seen for the last few candles, see, first it has formed a very good support now at 72.2 levels, and now this zone between 72.2 and 71.8, 71.7 is going to remain the prime support zone, and then below that till 71.4 we have got very good supports available for crude oil. Now see, it is trading in this bullish channel. It has to now trade beyond 72.6 in order to confirm further rise. When you look at the moving averages, these have crossed over, definitely a good bullish sign. Though the stochastic is overbought, but yes, it can stay overbought here. Look at the MACD trading with divergence and bullishness and RSI at top. The inventory data today could be one of the triggers for further price movement in crude oil. It can reverse as well. But what I have shared several times, look at the double bottom here, and now we have to just wait for it to break beyond 73, 73.4. If these two levels are taken, certainly oil is back into the bullish path. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent, MACD bullish looking up first, and I have shared this first, second, and the third wave has begun. It can hit the higher highs. The RSI is rising and it is sitting near to the top. Coming to 4, on the 4 hour chart, similar observation. See, moving averages are now on the verge of a crossover. This is a good sign for the bulls. And on the 4 hour charts also almost double bottom, but I see this as retracement, not a reversal, unless and until prices trades above 74.75. That is the zone which is going to decide the further price movement for crude oil. See, I have mentioned this: first wave, second the bearish wave, and now if it bounces back from here and trades above 74.75, we are ready for move above $80 levels as well in the near future. The stochastic overbought, MACD rising here after hitting the bottom, RSI rising as well. Coming to the on the daily charts as well, we have seen this several times. Drop, retracement drop, good consolidation, forming a strong base. It is trying to bounce back, trying to rise. Wait for it to break beyond 73, 73.4, and then 74, and then 75. Very, very good resistances are available. Remember what is happening on the daily charts. See, first base and consolidation here is seen, then a good rise, then a retracement, and now after the retracement, it is ready to deliver another bullish wave, which is going to take it above $80 levels. Stochastic rising here, the MACD has crossed over at the bottom, and it is a very, very good sign for the bulls. The RSI is rising as well. So looking at this, what I'll recommend now is a buying entry at 72.6, 72.7 zone. If you see it is staying above this, because see why I'm saying 72.6, 72.7, because see it can briefly stay above this and then reverse also. So you have to watch out how it behaves around 72. Then you can expect 73, 73.2 as the first target zone, 73.5 as the next. And if that is taken, then there is no other option. You have to just stay bullish. You have to wait for it to move towards 74. 75 at the next target levels. Now look at the daily charts also. What's happening is this is the third straight bullish candle. Higher lows and higher highs are seen. Where are the highs? Aiming towards 73, 73.5 levels. That is the first part. Second is on the downside, now where you should sell. Ideally, we have to wait for it to now trade below 72 levels. Yes, if you see crude oil trading below 72, you can take a selling entry, expect it to move. Now 72, 71.7, 71.4, three support levels here on the downside. Any move below 71.4 is a sign of reversal, where the prices are going to move all the way towards 71, 70.8, and a drop below 71, 70.8 is a clear sign of more bearishness, which I do not see it happening. So take your trades accordingly. Let's move to the beautiful natural gas flying high, taking the support from the 20 period moving average, looking upwards. Remember, this is natural gas. Once it starts to move, it doesn't stop. And now possibly we are looking at 4.2 as the first target and 4.4 as the next. Those who follow me for long, I have been saying this for natural gas since long, that the year 2025 belongs to natural gas. In my annual review also I have mentioned. And what it has done, it is already trading now almost a couple of years high. So now we have to wait for it to move towards 4.2 and 4.4 possibly. Look at the first rise, then consolidation. Now second round of rise is starting, so it may stay bullish. Stochastic rising here, the MACD again crossing over here, but again one must notice this is at a slightly elevated levels, which is going to be difficult, and this suggests that a retracement cannot be denied. Though you can see the preceding highs, when we have seen natural gas rising, we have seen the highs at around 150 levels. So this is possible that it can try to hit the highs before reversing. The RSI is anyways staying overbought. Remember, we did not question natural gas when it was crashing sharp almost 20%. When it was at $10 levels, we have seen it slumping all the way down to $2 levels in just few months. So now it is the time for nat gas to rally, and possibly this would continue with this rise consolidation, and this is the second round of rise here. Only bearishness today is if you see it staying below 3.96 zone. If you see it staying below 3.96, then only we can treat this as bearish here. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI overbought. Things are definitely overbought, but this is again, this is natural gas. Look at the rise, the consolidation, and this is the second round of rise. Possibly we are aiming at 4.2 or in fact 4.4 levels very soon. Things are definitely overbought, but it does not mean that it cannot sustain this overbought levels. Coming to 4 on the 4-hour charts, likewise, this is the third bullish candle here, and it is going to stay bullish. In fact, it is going to deliver strongly bullish candle. Now beyond 4.12, you can expect 4.156 and 4.2 as the next target. So it is already at 4.12 from here. Possibly we are aiming at now 4.1516 and then towards 4.2 levels, the next target zone, which is going to be the easier milestone for it to achieve. And yes, 4.2 is something which is definitely achievable, but it is getting overbought, be it the stochastic, be it the MACD or the RSI, and hence you have to watch out with caution. Though on the 4-hour charts it is lot much of room available on the upside, and it is continuing to rise here. RSI definitely coming to an overbought zone. Coming to on the daily chart, see it is putting pressure on the bands to expand. The support levels are now far below towards 3.54, but I can also see that it is almost at the top of this channel, and thus for this to confirm a breakout, the net gas has to stay above 4.2, and once it stay above 4.2, we are looking forward to 4.4 and 4.6 is the next targets. See, now the moving averages are starting to look upwards, and this is another journey after the convergence which can take the prices higher. This is something you should watch out for. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trading with divergence and bullishness. Looking upwards, the RSI is rising as well. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 4.12 levels. When you see the lower prices above 4.12, you can initiate a buying entry. Expect it to move towards 4.1516 first target zone, 4.2 the next. Beyond 4.2, the next targets in the near future are going to be towards 4.4 and 4.6 levels. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. On the downside, remember a selling entry now I will recommend is at 4.04. Expect $4 levels at the first target zone, 3.97, 3.96 at the second. And if and only if Natural gas today breaks below 3.9695. See, this is natural gas. Anything and everything is possible. It has seen a good rise. It can reverse sharp as well. But right now, the momentum is very much bullish. But yes, if you see it reversing and trading below 3.9796, stay short from there. We are looking forward to 3.8 levels again. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch every day the first update with the Asia and Europe session. Thank you.